Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I want to show you something pretty neat. The Teslong TS43 digital Borescope. I had a chance to unbox it and test it out, and honestly, there are a few things that I ended up really liking about it. So right out of the box, you're going to find the Teslong Endoscope itself, which has this nice 4.3-inch color screen, a control panel, and a built-in cable. You also get 3 interchangeable tips, a hook, a magnet, and a mirror. These are super easy to swap out. You just unscrew the tip ring on the threaded end and pop on whichever tip you need. Also in the box, you have a charging cable and the user manual, which is pretty straightforward. Now, let me just say I love the fact that it's got both a front lens and a side lens. That dual lens setup is super handy because it gives you more angles to work with, and the adjustable light on each lens is just awesome. You can set it to 3 different brightness levels or turn it off if you don't need it. It's one of those little details that just makes it super practical. Another thing I genuinely appreciate is that it's got a micro SD card slot, so you can save your inspection photos and videos directly. Under this cover right here, that's where the USB-C charging port is, the reset button, and the micro SD card slot. This USB-C charging port is also a data transfer port that makes it easy to transfer images and videos without removing the SD card every time. Turn it on. It's got a really nice 4.3-inch screen with all the controls over here. This button right here changes the light brightness, 3 different settings, and then turns it off. This button right here is where you change from side camera to the front camera, and then you can also turn the light on either side. I need to inspect the water leak situation in this bathroom, so I drilled a small hole over here, just enough for the scope to go through, so I could see what's going on over there. And I have to mention the 16.5-foot semi-rigid cable. It's pretty solid for a cable that thin. You can shape it and guide it through wall cavities or wherever you need to peek. Honestly, I found that pretty impressive because it's both flexible and sturdy enough to hold its shape. The battery life is great, about 3 hours on a single charge, which is more than enough time for most inspections, of course. Overall, I have to say I really enjoyed using it. It's just a handy little tool that does what it's supposed to do, and it does well. The price tag on this unit is actually very low in my opinion. It's about $50, and I'm going to put the link down in the description below so you can check the current price. So that's the Teslong TS43 Endoscope. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more reviews, check out my other videos, and have yourself a great day.